If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. QuickBooks Online Plus makes printing lists quick and easy. At the top of each list is a Print List button that looks like a printer. Clicking this button opens a new page or tab in your web browser and shows the list in a printer-friendly format. It also automatically opens your browser's print dialog box. Simply click the Print or OK button in the print dialog box to print the list. After printing the list, close the window or tab to return to the QuickBooks Online Plus window or tab. The only exception to this is the Employees list. To print the Employees list, click Reports in the navigation bar. Then click the Standard tab in the page that opens to the right if needed. In this page, start typing Employee Directory into the Find Report by Name search bar at the top of the page, and then click that report name in the result list that appears below the search bar to open it. On the report page, click the Share drop-down button in the upper right corner and choose the Printer-Friendly command to open a printer-friendly version of the employee directory in a new window. Click the small Print link in the center of the top of the window to open your computer's print dialog box. Then click the Print or OK button in this dialog box to print the report. You can then close the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.